Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you may be finding my videos informative and useful for you. Today, we will try to find out the answers to the following questions. I have written 4 questions here. Question number 1 is, what is the rate of interest payable on unclaimed funds held with Depositors Education and Awareness Fund maintained by RBI? All of us are aware that this fund is created at RBI after an amendment to the Banking Regulation Act. When this amendment took place, a section 26A was inserted into the Act, and under that section 26A of the Act, now this fund is being maintained by RBI. Every bank has to transfer unclaimed balances which are lying with the bank for the period of 10 years or more. Unclaimed, they are transferred to RBI, and RBI is crediting these funds to Depositors Education and Awareness Fund. The fund is maintained, and the claims, when paid by the banks, are reimbursed by RBI out of this fund only. Now, let us try to answer the question number 1. What is the rate of interest payable on unclaimed funds held with RBI under this fund? And the background of this question is that recently it has been changed. So it's very relevant. When there is a change, there are questions in the examinations on that change. Normally it has been seen. So the answer to this question is that yes, a rate of interest is payable on certain deposits lying under this fund. Not all the deposits, which we will try to answer in question number 2. Is the interest payable on all the deposits lying in this fund? The answer is no. So what is the answer? The answer is that the interest is payable only on interest bearing deposits, not on all the deposits. That means that interest is not payable on those funds which are not interest bearing. For example, in current accounts, we do not pay any interest. So here also, if the claim relates to the current account, no interest will be paid on that. Question number 3. Is the interest rate applicable uniformly on all the claims till the date of payment? Again, the answer is no. It is not uniformly paid. The RBI has been deciding this rate from time to time, because RBI has those powers. So RBI changed this rate. As on 30th June also, it was reduced. 30th June 2018, it was reduced from 4% to 3.5%, 3.5%, and which was applicable till 10th of May 2021. So up to 30th June 2018, the rate was 4%. From 1st of July 2018 till 10th of May 2021, the applicable rate is 3.5%. And from May 11, 2021, the rate has been further reduced to 3%. So we must be clear on these dates, and we must keep these dates and rates in mind while answering these questions. Now, is the rate uniformly claims till the date of payment? The question is answered. The last question, what are the rates applicable at present? So at present, with effect from 11th May 2021, the rate is 3% only. And before that, with effect from 1st of July 2018 till 10th of May 2021, it was 3.5%. And before that, up to 30th June, the rate was 4%. So these are the rate applicable at present. If a balance is lying, say, since 2015 with the fund, so till 30th June 2018, the interest will be paid at the rate of 4%. Thereafter, till 10th of May 2021, the interest will be paid at the rate of 3.5%. And now, with effect from 11th May 2021, the rate will be payable at the rate of 3% only. I hope this is the recent update from RBI. The notification has been issued on 11th of May 2021. So you must go through the notification, and I would appeal to all my friends and all my fellow bankers that you must subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications of my recent updates in banking. Thank you very much.